Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2016 Ram 2500. This has the 6.4 Hemi in it. It has the black wheels, a 6.4 bed. It does have a drop-in bed liner. It's a beautiful black. Inside it does have power driver's seat. It does have gray leather interior. A nice 5-passenger truck with the nice center console. It does have all the amenities. It's got navigation, AM/FM satellite radio, dual air. It does have the trailer tow brake, and it has heated seats and heated steering wheel and the tow haul mode. It has cruise control. It also has Bluetooth, voice recognition. Very, very nice vehicle. One owner, clean Carfax. And this vehicle only has 41,000 miles on it. Please call Theresa here at Firkins for more information. 941-807-1165.